howdy y'all, it's Shannon from Creative Chaos in Tennessee, and today I am back to do my How to Kill a Kit with Style, layout share, kit wrap up, and all the winners for the month here on YouTube and on the Facebook group. And if you're not over there yet, come over and hang out because there's lots of chances and things to do over there. So, this is all that is left of my kit. So, literally, this is what I am throwing in the trash. That's it. I'm super proud of that. I've been able to use it up all month. This is the one piece that I did keep. I figure I might use it in the future on a layout or something. But it was the only cut apart left. And I have these two sticker sheets. So you can see I tried to use them up. I did use quite a bit making cards because I ended up taking the little bitty tiny scraps and making cards out of them. So for the month of August, I created 16 layouts, used 62 photos, and used 15 swap items. My year-to-date totals now are layouts 164, photos 451, and swap items 202. So, I'm going to count that as a win. I think that's doing pretty good. And I made 16 layouts this month out of the kit, and I also created 5 cards. So, this is the cards I created. As you can see, I just used up small paper scraps and I used stickers from the collection. And then here's this one. And this one. Here's this one. I think this one's probably my favorite one, but I do like this one too. So, I created those, which I'll use to send out with Happy Mail, as y'all know. And then I have these layouts. I think this one is probably my favorite layout that I created all month. The only color was from the flowers in the photos and this title that I created on Cricut. All of these layouts do have process videos, so if you want to go back, this was probably my second favorite. I absolutely love Pooh and bees, so it all went well together, and I love this paper. So, you know what, I might have miscounted layouts. Maybe not, maybe I got them all. And then, here's this one that I did. And like I said, I used all the branding strips on this one and just let it repeat. And then used it as a photo mat. Here's this one. I only had these 2 photos. I did sewing on here. I absolutely loved how this one turned out of Blake whenever he was a baby. I also used a card front that I received, and I added the Pooh and the honey pot to it and the flowers. But I used a card front as an embellishment. I have this one that I did. It turned out really pretty. It's really sparkly with the gold paste that I used. Here's this one where I did mixed media. It turned out a lot lighter than I wanted it to overall, but I think it's okay. I think it just helps everything else pop color-wise. I have this one that I did for the journaling challenge from the Big B-Day Bash over on the Facebook group to celebrate the Facebook group turning a year old. So, I did this one with all my photos and then journaling. And then this one is a 2-page. And this was my scavenger hunt photos from the B-Day Bash over there. Because we played selfie scavengers, which was really fun. And it gives us photos, the scrapbook of the event, which normally we wouldn't take. This one is me and Elizabeth that I talk about a lot. But she lives all the way up in Connecticut, and by chance, I got to meet her in real life. It was only for about 15 minutes, is the only time we had. Her husband and her had come in for a funeral, which, you know, is sad. But I was so happy that I got to meet her. I always say that we are two parts of the same brain. And then here's this layout that I did. I used lots of the printables and all those things from the B-Day Bash. I printed out a bunch of them and used them on a bunch of different layouts. Here's one I did with the sunflower fields this year, and of course my grandbabies. Photos of the sunflowers. I think it turned out really cute and different. And then here's the one I did of the kitty cats today. So if you haven't watched that one for Shake It, Scrap It, Create It, go watch it. This was them actually being nice. And then this one is Be a Gardener. And I actually used lots of swap items on this one. I thought it turned out really good. And last but not least, there's this one that I kept very simple, just trying to use up the collection, and a swap piece that Lee made me. So, that is my kit wrap up and my layout share. So, next up is going to be winners. Hang on. Alright, so first up we have the beehive. Now, I always say if you win on YouTube, you can't win again. I will redraw, but you can win over for the Facebook group stuff. So, you can win in both, but I want it to be fair. Also, you guys know, if you are a winner, I need you to contact me. Even if I have your address, even if you win every month, just to touch base with me. Just let me know. Tony Gray. Woohoo! Congratulations. Alright, so next up is the mixed media card that we made with all the little embellishment goodies. Let's see. Alright, I'm going to redraw because that is actually my grandbaby. So, let's see. Pick a new winner. I'll have to tell Kaylee I drew her name. My goodness, now it's me. Well, I don't want any more bee stuff, y'all. I'm telling you. Elizabeth, yay, congratulations. Alright, so this one's going to be for the Bee Crafty title with the Winnie the Pooh. Let's see who won. Nancy Smith, yay, congratulations. Alright, so this one is for the Be Colorful Rainbow title. Michelle Furlan, yay, congratulations. Okay, and this one is for the little bee clusters. Melody Ruli, congratulations. Alright guys, so this one's going to be for the Shake It, Scrap It, Create It for August. I've added all the names in of everyone who played along. And we're going to spin. Tony Gray. Yay, congratulations. Alright, so this one's going to be for our card scrap lift challenge. I thought I would just show you guys the entries. There's only a few, so it's not super time consuming. But look how cute these were, made by Michelle Furlan. I absolutely love the bees. And then this, of course, is the ones that I made with you guys. This is one that Karen Goddard made. which is beautiful. And I always say they do not have to be bee themed or whatever I put up. It doesn't have to be that theme. It can be anything. It's just you taking the basis of it and scrap lifting it. This one is by Patricia Thornton. And this one is Debbie Avalar. I absolutely love it. This one's Patricia Thornton. So every other week we have a card scrap lift, and on the opposite weeks we have a layout scrap lift. They post every Monday on the Facebook group. This one is also by Michelle Fairland, and this one's by Karen Goddard, and that was all of our entries. So let's spin our winner. If you want to play along, definitely come over and join the Facebook group. Michelle, yay, congratulations. Thank you for playing along. Okay, and last but not least, we have the layout scrap lift. So I put everyone in here. Let's shuffle it up. Let's see who wins. Elizabeth Perry, yay, congratulations. Alright guys, so that is it for the month. Thank you guys for hanging out, playing along with all the challenges, our fun B-Day bash that we did. There will be more coming up in December, maybe another surprise in October. Definitely stay tuned. If you're not a subscriber, I would love to have you. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and come over and check us out on the Facebook group. And until next time, bye y'all.